everyone, good morning. It is day 5 and it is our last day and we are sad. But today is our day at sea and we have a few things planned for today. The very first thing on our itinerary is actually towel folding at noon. So Allison and I chose to just relax in our stateroom for the morning and take in the last little bits of our relaxation. Not necessarily our last bits of relaxation, but enjoy a little bit longer in our stateroom. So we have towel folding, and then we are planning on doing lunch at Chops. A small lunch because, like I said yesterday, we do have the chef's table today, and that is a like 2-hour-ish experience. So we're gonna need to save some room. So we don't really have too much planned for today, but I know that sprinkled in is gonna be the Harry Potter trivia. I know that is at 2, so we're definitely gonna be doing that. Allison and I talked about maybe doing shuffleboard and going to the arcade, and then I know after our chef's table we are going to hang out in the pool one last time before we have to go and get packed and get ready and leave. So join us as we adventure on our final day aboard Serenade of the Seas.
Again, we like to give a goodbye respect to our towel voters, our housekeeping team. Where you're from and how many years with the company?
I'm from Philippines and 1 year now.
From the Philippines, 1 year with the company. He has a small towel. It is a hand towel. Roll to the middle, but no flap this time. He rolled it to the middle. It's just roll to the middle. And stop. Bringing all 4 ends together. And inside we have a corner. So in each corner, Kevin is giving a twist and a tug. A twist and a tug. Twist and a tug. Twist and a tug. Pull it apart. And you have the torso. So you're going to take a hand towel and you're going to spiral roll each side. So it looks like a carrot. Like we're going to take this carrot, roll it backwards, and then the spiral sides of the carrot is going to roll out to each side. So now I think a lot of people are seeing this one, and that looks like what? A shell. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the sea turtle. I'm going to start with the scroll roll. Alright, that's the scroll roll. So now we're going to make the carrot. Alright, remember on the carrot, put your finger in the middle, take each side, do a spiral roll toward yourself. Alright, with the carrot, we have the pointy end and the leafy end. See? I'm going to flip it over, and there's a flap here, and I'm going to pull the flap down, and I think you're going to be able to guess my towel creation today.
Is it finally the elephant?
Yes, I think so.
Finally. Oh, this is the one I wanted to learn.
Yeah, elephant.
What is it? The popular one that we haven't made yet, they saved it for me. It's an elephant!
5. What potion used to take another form of another person? Who gave Hermione the time turner?
I don't remember. It's one or two people. I know. I think I know it.
Let's go with number 8.
That's not how I was thinking. I thought it was Dumbledore.
Well, I mean, he approved it.
If you didn't know, Megan loves Harry Potter.
I can quote all of the movies by heart, especially number 3.
What is the name of Harry Potter's dog? What are the 3 types of balls used in a Quidditch game?
I haven't gotten a single one wrong. Maybe this one is questionable.
What birthday does Harry celebrate in the first book? Which 2 teams compete in Quidditch World Cup in Group 4? Who replaced Cornelius Fudge as the Minister of Magic? 10. Woo! 15. Woo! Like 5 teams left. 17. Woo! Okay, 4 teams left. 18. Woo! 19. Woo!
What?
How many points did you get?
19.
19 higher than that? No? Alright, we got lost for us to the highest score.
I knew I would win. We won.
Please always remember.
I'm so excited. Crashed.
Well, that didn't take long. I know.
Alright guys, we are putting on our finishing touches for our outfits. We are going to take some pictures and then go to Chef's Table. Allison has got a very fancy red dress on. She looks snatched. She looks awesome. Curled her hair and everything. I didn't do much different than what I usually do. But I am wearing the pink dress that I wore on not my June cruise, but the cruise before that you guys saw in my vlog. But we are going to go take some pictures and then have an interesting experience at Chef's Table. Like I said, I am interested to see how this compares to other dining experiences. So we will see you at Chef's Table. we are actually back home, and we forgot to do the recap last night, which technically we didn't forget about, but Chef's Table filled us up real fast. So let's begin with our thoughts on Chef's Table. How did you like it?
I thought it was great. So Chef's Table is it's a 6-course meal experience. It's limited capacity. There were only one other couple, so 6 total when we did it yesterday. And basically the chef comes out and explains what the meal that or like how he prepared the dish before you. There's a appetizer, salad, fish course, steak course, and dessert. I'm missing one. But it was really cool. It also includes wine pairings with the experience. So we had the unlimited dining package, so it was an additional $50 on top of the dining package that we had. So I thought it was worth it. It was super cool. I thought it was gonna be really like stuffy and
not
like we
our
feel
vibe.
out of place.
Yes.
But they made it very like friendly. Our server was awesome. So yeah, I enjoyed it.
I also have the exact same feelings. I don't normally drink too much, so that is the other reason why we did not do the recap last night.
We were very sleepy.
Yes, we were very sleepy. So we went straight to bed as soon as we got done with Chef's Table, because it was 6:15 is when we started, and we didn't get done until about
9:30.
8:30 closer.
9:30.
Oh, it was 9:30?
It was 9:30.
Oh my gosh,
yeah.
I thought it was 8:30.
So they say to prepare for a 2-hour experience, but in reality it's a 3-hour experience. So, but it goes by really quickly.
Yeah, and they give us just enough time, because I thought 6 courses, oh my gosh, how am I going to be able to finish that? But they give you just enough time
to digest
so that you're prepared for the next course.
Yeah.
Something else that we did yesterday was in between the time from lunch and Chef's Table, we did the trivia, which we won, which we were very excited about. And then we did the arcade, and then Allison went shopping with our friends while I went back to the room and kind of packed up and got ready for the Chef's Table experience. So overall, I think we had an amazing time.
It was an awesome cruise. It was an awesome, it's probably my favorite cruise that we've done. Thoughts on the room? I would definitely do an inside stateroom again. I think I prefer balcony, but it really exceeded my expectations for the most part. I will say I really did like the deck that we were on. We were on deck 2, which made it really easy to depart the ship on port days. And it was also like, it was pitch black in the room at night, which is awesome because we like pitch black to sleep. And I would do the ship again. I really enjoyed the layout of it. Something that I didn't really like about the Freedom and Independence, those are the 2 ships that we've been on so far, is that the promenade has all the shops in it. You have to walk through the casino to get to a lot of places. And here, with the Centrum, you don't have to go to the shops if you don't want to. You don't have to go to the casino to get anywhere except for the cinema. There's ways around that if you don't want to go through it. So I really like the Centrum layout.
I actually like the promenade layout better because it's more open. There's a lot more to, everything's right there. With the layout that we had, everything was separated.
Yeah.
So that's personally why I like it. But other than that, I loved the ship. I loved the experience that we had. The only negative thing I have about the ship was the fact that the drinking package, the soda package, may not have been something that you are familiar with if you have been on a bigger ship, because Freedom and Independence had the Coca-Cola Freestyles, and we did not have the opportunity, like we didn't have that easy access to soda like we did on those ships. So you had to go up to a bar and say, hi, can I have a Diet Coke? Or, you know, ask at your table.
Restaurants. And a lot of the time they were flat, which is unfortunate because I mean, like, no one likes to drink flat soda. So there were a couple times where we had to ask for a second one. And I mean, that's just, I mean, that's not a make or break thing. I think that the refreshment package was super worth it for you.
I was about to say that. Like I said before, I'm not a huge drinker, so mocktails are, I like the flavor of the drinks rather than the alcohol component. And that's different for everybody, but I personally thought it was worth it for me because I drink coffee all the time, and I had easy access to coffees, juices, literally everything is included except for the alcohol and the refreshment package, and I think that that was worth it. We're definitely going to do that again when we cruise with Royal Caribbean.
And we want to do a bigger ship next time, I think, because we've experienced the kind of mid size cruisers with
Small.
Freedom and Independence, and now we've experienced a smaller one. So now I want to do something larger. So next ship we'll probably do a bigger ship. So, but overall I thought it was a great trip, and that's all I gotta say.
I had so much fun. I did not want to get off. I am ready to take a shower in my own shower and take a nap in my own bed. But other than that, you know, I feel like that's everyone's normal feelings when they get off a boat. But I had so much fun, and I'm just so happy I went on this cruise. And I'm so happy that I did Chef's
Table. We found our sweet spot too with 5 days. So.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little series of videos, and if you missed any of our previous cruise vlogs, you can check out the Travel With Me playlist, which will be linked at the end of this video and in the cards, so you can check that out and see our other adventures. And then probably a couple weeks from this posting of this video now, you will see our Disneyland cruise, or our Disneyland vlogs, not cruise, Disneyland vlogs. So keep an eye out for that, because we are super excited and it's gonna be fun. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you next time.